Okay, hey, it's Adam from BRAINSUPREME. I want to tell you about how to make a MAAC Stack latte. So what I do, I still love coffee. It makes my wife crazy. I love coffee. I fucking love it. I've always loved it. So I use half the amount of coffee, and then I put in 1 scoop of MAAC Stack, some raw honey, some milk. I blend it up. Then I run it through the strainer. I just throw the coffee right into the blender. I run it through the strainer, and that's a MAAC Stack latte. You don't necessarily need the coffee. You can just do hot water, 1 or 2 scoops of MAAC Stack. Start with 1 and then increase because it is pretty potent. Some raw honey, some maple syrup, whatever milk you tend to use, blend it up, and that's a delicious replacement. So this can be used with coffee, in replace of coffee. This can be used in combination with chais or teas. You can add it to a smoothie as well. The one thing I'd probably say for most people is because it's a base of Ceylon cinnamon and cacao, which you're going to get that wonderful chocolatey and cinnamon flavor, but with the profile over 20 amino acids and adaptogens in here, it can be a little bitter in the finish. So smooth it out with a little bit of raw honey or maple syrup, whatever sweetener you tend to use, and you can kind of go for it from there. Use it liberally. Thanks so much. Give a MAAC Stack latte a try.